Okay, it's over. Yesterday it rained a lot, and the day before it rained a lot. So there's too much water in the pasture. So they can go here. Sorry. Yvke. Rijsie. Hey. Rijntje. En Boukje. Sally. Belle. And Blomke. But first, they can go out. What happened here? Peach, Spidey, Glendy, and Daisy. Sally. Hey, goed zo. Oh. 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 Rijsie, Belle, Blomke en Yvke. Goed zo. Hey Belle. Here they can eat. There they can drink. Hello. I have to be careful. Hey Bella. Blomke. Yvke. Rijntje, Boukje en Sally. You can go in the arena. Doe maar. Joeke. Hey, Boukje. Hey, Sally. I cleaned the camera again. The pony cart, and I try to fix this because this is like that. It's not good, but I try to fix it. There's something going on here. Bella and Blomka try to eat, and every now and then, yeah, goed zo Bella, they can eat. But every time, Raisi is angry at them and chase them away. Why are you doing that, Raisi? Let's see, can he eat now? Maybe Blomka? Maybe because I'm here. Yes, there he goes. Oh, that's mean. And they try. And at the beginning, Yvke is angry, and now Raisi. There comes Yvke. And now they act. Oh, there's nothing going on here. But I see it. Yvke. Why? Raisi. Hey, don't. Uh, that's mean. Well, I keep an eye on them. And if it's not going that good, I have to make another point for the hay. And otherwise they go that way. Hey. Ah. Oh, this reminds me a bit of Chores. Chores also wanna try to be the boss. Hey, Bella. Okay. Oh, oh, stop that. Oh, kom maar. Goed zo. Hey, you can come with me. Huh? Hey, they follow me. Come on, come. No, they don't. Belle, Lomke, Yveske en Rijssie. Hey Yveske. Hey Belle. Lomke. And still Rijssie is mean to Belle and Blomke. And Yveske. What shall I do? Yveske en Blomke. Rijssie. Oh, Rijssie. Why? Okay, I open this so they can walk here. But don't go any further. So they can be here eating and here eating. Oh, not Rijssie. But not here behind the fence. Oh. Oh. Okay, it's not a good idea. Maybe 2 here and 2 there. Oh. Oh. Okay, not good. Oh. 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 Okay, bad idea. I use my whip to lengthen my arm. So you can't jump over me. Okay. Think. No. Yeah, otherwise you too. Come, go there. You can go there. Go, 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 go. Goed zo. Eh, eh. Okay, bad idea, I think. Oeh. Oh. I don't know. I try. Well, I try. So they can stand here and they here. But I think I closed this so they can't go over here. Yeah. Blomka. Bella. Okay, I close this. Reisje and Yvke over there. Bella and Blomka, you can go to the arena. Come. Come. Kom op. Goed zo. Hallo? Oh, and now they miss them. It's your own fault. Hey Bella. Blomka.